In IBM Connections, you have the possibility to find and coordinate with other people. One way of doing it is by finding people who are in your network, or you can locate people by just searching for them and finding their profile. When you're on their profile, you can see all their information, and what OnTime adds to this is a visualization of availabilities. So on the right side, you see the person's schedule where you can scroll up and down to move around in time. You can then click on an event to see the details of it depending on what rights you have on the person. You can view the person's calendar in different ways. There is a day view where you can see some details, and then there's a month view where there's a smaller bar that shows the availabilities on that day. Here you can also navigate around in time and choose a specific date. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.